Usually, when doing data exploration, plotting data is essential. It's even more important when you want to present your findings to people and maybe even do a demo. Seaborn is my go-to for 2D plots. While Matplotlib is easy, Seaborn takes one line and is easier than anything I've seen. Also, it's pretty. However, good old Matplotlib is integrated with pandas in case you don't feel like doing that additional import and install. But without it, it takes a lot more work to get the same thing done. And hey, everybody uses pandas, right? While alternatives like ggplot and Altair exist, and things like geoplot are there for specialized plots, I find that these two libraries are there for 99% of my work and are also extensible. However, finding something that does 3D plots well in notebooks can get painful and slow, and next to nothing works well in a web app except Plotly. Plotly is straightforward, simple, digests all kinds of data, including pandas data frames, and generates beautiful 3D plots. Another great thing is that you can package it with Dash into a web app. Plotly also works with NB Viewer in case you don't want to do that. Not working with Python, Plotly works in a bunch of other languages like R as well. That's it for this video. Tell me what you thought about it, and see you next time.